have another show coming up in November. Bodybuilding shows are a great opportunity for you to think about getting in shape, and it can be a motivation and a time for you to think about how you're going to make accountability into your fitness goals. What would you say are some more tips about bringing accountability into fitness?
Definitely when people are getting ready for the show, that's one of those things that it's a way to be accountable what you're doing. You have a certain amount of time, you have to be consistent. You know, the average person prepares around 12 weeks for a competition. You know, it takes consistent workout, consistent eating properly. But say in your everyday life, you need to do things like hiring a personal trainer, making mental notes, and actually tracking charts of where you started from, where you're trying to get to, and trying to stay on track with that, and giving yourself dates to check your weight, check your meal plan, check how consistent you're in, and actually making documentation of what you're eating, how often you're working out. So these things will make you stay conscious. So one of the main things I find, the reason people fail from reaching their goal is that they start out hard and it's on their mind, then they start putting it in the back burner, they're getting a little complacent. So this is something when you're trying to make a change in the positive, you got to be consistently thinking about it, consistently moving toward it. So keeping track of what you're doing and having somebody that you're accountable to, or having a goal like getting in a competition, this is going to help you stay motivated, help you stay on track, and then you see the cumulative effect of doing these things consistently. Your body will change in a way you never thought it would. So again, my show is November 9th at the Greensboro Coliseum. Be the Elite Muscle Class, be the 28th annual. We have bodybuilding, men's physique, women's bikini, women's figure, women's physique. We have things for everybody, every level of fitness. We have novice, masters, open. Masters divisions go from 35 up to 60 years old, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 60-year-old in some of the divisions. So hopefully you come out and check out the show. This could be a good, positive way for you to get motivated, see what people can do, change in their body. And again, that's November the 9th, and we got one of the best bodybuilders in the world here, runner-up Mr. Olympia. William Bonac will be performing at the show. And we also have a national level champion that's right here from North Carolina, Devon Barkley. He's going to be guest posing also. And we have a lot of local athletes that are very competitive on the rise, and some are first-time competitors. So hopefully we'll see you there, and hopefully you'll like on this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you need to contact me, you can contact me at 336-987-4007 or at qrlead@gmail.com.